Good morning students, welcome you in the maths class for standard 7 and I am your maths teacher. We continue our exercise. So lastly we completed our exercise 2.2 which is a multiplication of fraction or multiplication of fraction with a whole number, multiplication of fraction with a mixed fraction. So that kind of example we did. Okay, so now we are moving on exercise 2.3 as you can see. So in exercise 2.3 there is a same questions are given, question number 1 and question number 2. Only you have to do just multiplication and find out the answer. So for the first question, what is the condition? Find 1 by 4 of B. I am doing B, another's you have to do by yourself. See, the answer and questions are same, nothing is change in that, methods are same. Okay, answer will be different by question, but here method will be same for each and every question. So I am doing one of them, others you have to do by yourself. Okay, so 1 by 4 of 3 by 5. So here I am writing properly 1 by 4 of 3 by 5. Okay, so as you know, first step is what? Remove the of, put multiplication and the 3 by 5. Easy hai? Any change in there? No. So 1 by 4 of 3 by 5 is 1 by 4 multiply 3 by 5. Now is equal to, अब क्या करेंगे? सिंपली यहाँ पे कुछ डिवीजन हो रहा है, नहीं हो रहा, तो क्या होगा? मल्टीप्लिकेशन न्यूमरेटर विद न्यूमरेटर एंड मल्टीप्लिकेशन ऑफ डिनोमिनेटर विद डिनोमिनेटर. सो 3 multiply 1 और 1 multiply 3 and the down side 4 multiply 5. So now 3 ones are 3 divided by 4 5s are 20. Now as you can see, this is your answer 3 by 20. Further you cannot simplify it. So 4 5s are 20 and 3 ones are 3. So this is your final answer. Easy है, you cannot convert this into mixed fraction. So यहाँ तक आपका आंसर आएगा which is proper. ऐसे ही आपके बाकी सब आंसर का क्वेश्चन का आंसर फाइंड आउट करना है. नाउ मूविंग ऑन क्वेश्चन नंबर 2, रिड्यूस टू द लोवेस्ट फॉर्म. लोवेस्ट फॉर्म मतलब उसका पॉसिबल लोवेस्ट फॉर्म, जितना हम उसको कम कर सकते हैं उतना करना है अंटिल मिक्स फ्रैक्शन तक जाना है. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल मिक्स फ्रैक्शन विद द फ्रैक्शन, मल्टीप्लिकेशन यहाँ पे क्या है? मिक्स फ्रैक्शन विद द फ्रैक्शन. जब जब मिक्स फ्रैक्शन की बात होती है, वेन एवर द मिक्स फ्रैक्शन इज गिवन, व्हाट वी हैव टू डू फर्स्ट? वी हैव टू कन्वर्ट द मिक्स फ्रैक्शन इनटू इम्प्रॉपर फ्रैक्शन. सो हियर as you can see 6 and 2 by 5, we have to convert 6 and 2 by 5 into the improper fraction. So 6 5s are 30 plus 2 32 divided by 5. The conversion already you know that. If you don't know, just go back to the previous video, watch it again and come back again for this video. So you will understand properly. Mixed fraction conversion, 6 5s are 30 plus 2, 30 plus 2 is 32 divided by 5, multiply 7 by 9. Now the steps are easy, just do division if possible, if not possible division just multiply numerator with numerator, denominator with denominator. Okay, so let's find out. 32 7s are, first of all 32 7s are, here I am doing here 32 7, 7 2s are 14, 1 goes up, 7 3s are 21 plus 22, 2 to 4. So numerator with numerator we got 2 to 4 and 9 5s are 45 as you know. So 2 to 4 divided by 45. Now this is the simplest form? No. So what we have to do? We have to further simplify it. So how can we simplify it? Can we divide these two terms with any digits? See, let's try with the 2, both of them. Can you divide 45 with the 2? No. Yes, you can divide the numerator with 2, but denominator you cannot. So let's divide with the 3. 3 ones are 3, already is bigger, so we have to take 2 digits. So 3 6s are 18, because 3 7s are 21. You can take 3 7s are also, 3 7s are 21. So 3 7s are 21, 1 goes down, 14 left. Now in 3's table 14 comes, 3 5s are 15, 3 4s are 12. So 3 4s are 12 and 3 5s are 15. So as you can see 15 and between 12 and 15 there is no 14 in there. So we cannot divide further with the 3. So can we divide with the 4? Let's try out. First of all, find out the denominator. Can we divide with the 4? No. Why? Because the last digit is odd digit. So we cannot divide the 45 with the 4. So can we divide this all term with the 9? Of course not. So directly what we have to do? We have to convert this into mixed fraction directly with 45 denominator. So 2 to 4. Okay. Now 45 ones are 45. 45 twos are, as you know, 45 twos are 90. 45 threes are 4 threes are 12 plus 1 13. So here 135 it is. So 135 is still smaller. Let's find out 45 fours are 4 fives are 20. 4 fours are 18. 4 fours are 16 plus 2 18. So 180 is there. See now 45 fives are 25. 2 goes up 20 plus 2 225. So here 45 fives are 225, which is greater than 224. So here what we have to use? We have to use 45 fours are 180. Now 4 minus subtraction करेंगे यहाँ पे. 4 minus 0 is 4. Here you have to take and here subtract 1. So 10 minus 8 is 2. 2 plus 2 is 4. So here 1 minus 1 is 0. So 44 is your remainder. This is carry 4 and the division or denominator. So now what we have to do? We have to segregate the terms. Which term goes where? So here it is denominator, here it is numerator, and here it is whole number. So as per our question answer, let's do this. What is our whole number first? Whole number is a 4. What is our denominator? Denominator is 45 as it is. What is our numerator? Numerator is 44. If you simplify this answer, you will get the back answer or one step behind answer, which is 224 divided by 45. So if you simplify that, the mixed fraction, you will get this fraction, which is improper fraction. Why improper fraction? Because numerator is greater than denominator. So that's why whenever you convert mixed fraction into fraction, that fraction should be, or fraction may be 99% of the time or 100% of the time, the fraction should be improper fraction. Why improper fraction? Because numerator is greater than denominator, and as per definition, if numerator is greater than denominator, that means that fraction is improper fraction. If numerator is less than denominator, that means that fraction is proper fraction. So that's per definition we got improper fraction. So improper fraction का हमने convert किया mixed fraction में. Mixed fraction का हमको answer मिला 4 and 44 divided by 45, which is the answer of question number 2. So that's how you can do other sums. Just you have to do multiplication. If you don't know anything, जहाँ पे अटक जाओ वहीं से उसको डिवाइड कर दो. पहले तो डिवाइड करने का ट्राई करो कि डिवाइड हो रहा है नहीं हो रहा है, तो डायरेक्टली जो आंसर आया उसको न्यूमरेटर से डिनोमिनेटर से ही डिवाइड करो. डिनोमिनेटर से डिवाइड करो, फिर एक बन जाएगा तुम्हारा डिनोमिनेटर, एक बन जाएगा न्यूमरेटर, एक बन जाएगा होल नंबर. से उसको सीधा क्या करेंगे? कन्वर्ट करेंगे. कन्वर्ट करने के लिए मिक्स फ्रैक्शन में वी हैव मेथड ऑफ डिवीज़न. डिवीज़न की मेथड से क्या करेंगे? उसको कन्वर्ट करेंगे मिक्स फ्रैक्शन में. ईजी है. So now moving on our question number 3. Okay students, so now moving on our next question, question number 4. See, question number 3 I skip it because it is the similar to the exercise 2.3. There is a multiplication, only you have to do multiplication of the mixed fraction with the fraction and fraction with the mixed fraction. It is very easy, just you have to do multiplication and find out the simplest form. So now I am moving on question number 4, which is greater. यहाँ पे हमको फाइंड आउट करा है विच वन इज ग्रेटर. सो देयर इज अ 2 कंडीशन और 2 क्वेश्चंस आर गिवन. 2/7 of 3/4 and 3/5 of 5/8. विच वन इज ग्रेटर दैट वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट. इन दोनों का जो भी आंसर आएगा तो या तो इसका आंसर बड़ा है या तो इसका आंसर बड़ा है. सो किसका आंसर बड़ा है दैट वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट. विच वन इज ग्रेटर, या तो बड़ा है या तो छोटा है या तो इक्वल है, दैट वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट. और वो फाइंड आउट करने के लिए हमको क्या करना पड़ेगा, पहले तो दोनों का आंसर फाइंड आउट करना पड़ेगा. सो वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट द आंसर ऑफ बोथ ऑफ देम. So one by one we have to find out. Directly we can do that, but it may be confusing. So one by one, step by step, we will find out the answer of the left hand side and right hand side values. So I'll consider this one left hand side value and I consider this right hand side value. So it will be easy for you. So left hand side value is equal to what? 2/7 of 3/4. Now what we have to do? Remove the of and put the multiplication as per rules. One step complete. Now just do the simplification. Can we divide the numerator and denominator with any numbers? Given numbers? No. 2 को 4 से divide कर सकते हैं अगर करना चाहो तो. 2 2 जा 4. So here in numerator what left? 1/7 multiply 3/2. Easy है. Now what we have to do? Now just we have to multiply it. Numerator with numerator and denominator with denominator. So 3 1 जा 3, 7 2 जा 14. So left hand side clear, आंसर आ गया, easy है. Now right hand side. Answer of right hand side is what? 3/5 of 5/8. Now here 3/5. Remove the of, put multiplication. The next term as it is. Now can you see that the 5 terms? Obviously here it can be cut out. All remember, if there is a plus you cannot do that. If there is a minus you cannot do that. If there is a division you cannot directly cut it out. Only in multiplication you can cross division, you can do cross division or cross sections. So here 5 1 जा 5 you can divide directly. So on the numerator it left 3 multiply 5 and the denominator it left 1 multiply 8. So 3 1 जा 3 and the 8 1 जा 8. So 3/8 is your right hand side. Now the first step is complete of the question. We find out the both the answer. Left hand side the answer is 3/14 and the right hand side the answer is 3/18. Now as you can see this is unlike fractions. Why unlike fractions? Because the denominators are different. As I told you, as I explained earlier, numerators are same but denominators are different. Still they are unlike fraction. अगर न्यूमरेटर भी सेम है और डिनोमिनेटर भी सेम है तभी उसको बोलेंगे. न्यूमरेटर सेम है उससे कोई मतलब नहीं. हमारा ओनली फोकस शुड बी ऑन डिनोमिनेटर. डिनोमिनेटर्स आर सेम, दैट मीन्स दे आर लाइक फ्रैक्शन. डिनोमिनेटर्स आर डिफरेंट, so that means they are unlike fractions. So here denominators are different. So unlike fractions को first of all we have to make like fraction. Like fraction मतलब denominator same करना पड़ेगा. Like fraction बनाने के लिए हमको क्या करना पड़ेगा? We have to take or we have to follow the method of LCM. So here LCM of 8 and 14. 8 can be divisible by 2. 14 can be divisible by 2. So 2 4 जा 8, 2 7 जा 14. Now 4 can be divisible by 2, 2 2 जा 4, 7 cannot be divisible by 2, so as it is. Now 2 again divisible by 1, 2 1 जा 2, 7 cannot be, so same as. Now 7 can be only divisible by 7, so 7 1 जा 7. So now our final answer is 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 multiply 7. 3 times 2 and 1 times 7. So 2 2 जा 4, 4 2 जा 8, 8 7 जा 56. So 56 is our LCM of 8 and 14. 56 is LCM of 8 and 14. सब क्या करना पड़ेगा यहाँ पे? 8 and 14 वाला टर्म्स. So here LHS. LHS is equal to what? We find out 3/14. So first of all make the LHS denominator 56. अब 56 बनाने के लिए 14 को कितना मल्टीप्लाई करना पड़ेगा, तो 56 आएगा। See 14 table, if you know 14 table, if you don't know just do the multiplication. 14 2 जा 28, 14 3 जा 42, 14 4 जा 56. If you don't know just direct 4 4 जा 16 plus 1, 4 1 जा 4 plus 1 5, 56. So that means 14 we have to multiply 14 with the 4 to get 56. So यहाँ पे मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे 14 को किससे, 4 से। इफ डिनोमिनेटर में 4 मल्टीप्लाई किया दैट मीन्स आई हैव टू मल्टीप्लाई 4 विद द न्यूमरेटर। सो 3 4 जा 12 डिवाइड बाय 56. सो हियर LHS we got 12 by 56. Now RHS is equal to what? RHS, what right hand side we found out? 3 by 8. What should I multiply here to get denominator 56? So as per 8 table, you know the table of 8. 8 7s are 56. So 8 7s are 56. So I have to multiply 8 with the 7. If I multiply 7 in denominator, so I have to multiply 7 in numerator. So that's why 3 7s are 21 divided by 56. Now we have LHS and RHS. Now we have to compare which one is bigger, 21 divided by 56 is bigger or 12 divided by 56 is bigger. So obviously here 12 divided by 56 is less than 21 divided by 56. So you can say that left hand side is less than right hand side. So ultimately you can say that right hand side is greater than left hand side. So that means 3 by 5 of 5 by 8 is greater than 2 by 7 of 3 by 4. So different sentence you can write down, or you can directly write down like this: left hand side is greater than right hand side. मतलब जो कि लेफ्ट हैंड साइड में हमारा टर्म्स है 2 by 7 ऑफ 3 by 4, वो 3 by 5 ऑफ 5 by 8 से लेस है, कम है. So that's how you can find out the answer of question number 4(1). Question number 4 का 1 I did it on the board. Now question number 4(2) you have to do by yourself. So this is the question number 4(2). Now moving on our next question. Okay students, so moving on our question number 5. So what question number 5 says? Salil plants 4 saplings in a row in her garden. The distance between 2 adjacent saplings is 3 by 4 meter. Find the distance between the first and the last sapling. Now understand the question. What question wants to say? Question wants to say Salil plant 4 saplings in her garden. So how did she plant? Like this. See, as per rough figure, this is the rough figure. First plant, then second sapling, then third sapling and the fourth sapling. If you don't know, just for the reference I'll number it. So first one, and after that 3 by 4 meter, second one, after that 3 by 4 meter, third one, after that 3 by 4 meter, fourth one. So Salil plant 4 saplings in a row in her garden. The distance between 2 adjacent sapling. Adjacent sapling मतलब बाजू बाजू के sapling, जो दोनों आजू बाजू में है, वो उनका डिस्टेंस कितना है दोनों का बीच का? 3 by 4 मीटर. फाइंड द डिस्टेंस बिटवीन फर्स्ट एंड द लास्ट सैपलिंग. मतलब यहाँ से लेके यहाँ तक का डिस्टेंस व्हाट वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट. हमको टुकड़ों में पूरा डिस्टेंस दिया हुआ है, उसको कंबाइन करेंगे. वी हैव, इफ वी कंबाइन द ऑल ऑफ द डिस्टेंस विच इज गिवन, कैन वी गेट द होल डिस्टेंस? ऑफ कोर्स यस. सो first step, distance between adjacent saplings is equal to what? 3 by 4 meter. Therefore I am doing here, therefore distance between फर्स्ट एंड लास्ट सैपलिंग इज इक्वल टू, सी फर्स्ट एंड लास्ट सैपलिंग के बीच में डिस्टेंस कितना है, तो कॉम्बिनेशन ऑफ ऑल द डिस्टेंस, दैट मीन्स 3/4 मीटर प्लस 3/4 मीटर प्लस 3/4 मीटर। कितनी बार है, देखो फर्स्ट दोनों के बीच में एक बार, फिर सेकंड और थर्ड के बीच में एक बार, और थर्ड और फोर्थ के बीच में एक बार। सो 1 3/4, सेकंड 1 3/4 एंड थर्ड 1 3/4। सो 1 2 and 3। सो नाउ as you know about the repeated addition rules which I already explained in the first video, so according to repeated addition you can write 3 times 3/4. Why? Because 3/4 is repeating how much time, 3 time. So 3/4 3 बार रिपीट हो रहा है, so that's why 3 multiply 3/4 भी तुम लिख सकते हो। Now can we multiply it properly? Yes, of course. 3 3s are 9 divided by 4. So 9 divided by 4 meter is the distance between first and the last sapling. So here the answer is 9 divided by 4 meter. So the total distance between 1 and the 4th sapling, or the total distance between the first and the last sapling is 9/4 meter. Easy है, टुकड़ों में हमको यहाँ पे डिस्टेंस दिया है, उसको मिला देंगे या तो एडिशन करेंगे। अगर ये एडिशन मेथड करने जाओगे तो वो लॉन्ग हो जाएगा। क्यों? लॉन्ग तो नहीं होगा, लेकिन वो भी सिंपल ही मेथड है। सी डिनोमिनेटर्स आर इक्वल, सबके डिनोमिनेटर इक्वल है, मतलब सारे लाइक फ्रैक्शन हो गए यहाँ पे। और सेकंड मेथड में अगर मैं इसको सिंप्लीफाई करूँ, सो 3 + 3 + 3 डिवाइड बाय क्या होगा, 4। क्यों? क्योंकि डिनोमिनेटर्स आर सेम। सो वी डोंट हैव टू फॉलो द एलसीएम रूल, डायरेक्टली न्यूमरेटर का एडिशन करेंगे। सो 3 + 3 + 3 इज इक्वल टू 9 डिवाइड बाय 4। सो कैसे भी करो आंसर तो सेम ही आएगा। या तो तुम रिपीटेड एडिशन मेथड फॉलो करो या तो डायरेक्ट एडिशन करो, दोनों में आंसर आपका 9/4 मीटर ही आएगा। कोई भी मेथड फॉलो करो, ऑलवेज रिमेंबर द आंसर, लास्ट आंसर शुड बी द सेम। So 9/4 meter is your answer. So that's all for today. Now in next video lecture we will continue with our question number 6, 7 and 8. Till then, thank you.